In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get games with 100% discount on Epic Games completely the right way so you can claim free titles and add them to your library permanently. This is a super easy method and it works whether you use the Epic Games launcher or the Epic Games website. If you enjoy quick gaming tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC, or if you prefer, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're there, sign into your Epic Games account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create one before you can claim free games. After logging in, head over to the store section and look for the free games area. This is where Epic lists the weekly free titles that you can claim at a 100% discount. Now here's the important part. Epic usually updates the free games every Thursday, so if you want to stay ahead, it's a good idea to check this section weekly. When you see a free game that you want, click on it to open the game page. On the game page, you'll see the normal price, but if it's part of the free promotion, you'll also see the option to get it for free. Click the Get button to start the checkout process. At this stage, Epic may show you a checkout page, but don't worry. The total should be 0 rupees or whatever your local currency equivalent is, because the discount is 100%. Review the order carefully, make sure the game is being claimed as free, and then complete the checkout. Once you confirm it, the game is added to your Epic Games library permanently. That means even after the free offer ends, the game stays tied to your account. This is one of the best ways to build your game library without spending money, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to go. Just remember to check the free game section regularly, because if you miss the weekly offer, you may have to wait for the next rotation. Also, make sure you're logged into the correct account before claiming anything, especially if you use more than one Epic account. So to recap, open Epic Games Launcher or the website, log in, go to store, open the free game section, click the free game, hit get, and finish checkout at 0 cost. That's it. You've successfully claimed a game with a 100% discount on Epic Games. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful gaming tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.